Hello all, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. In this video I'm showing you how to make the Lebanese Manakish. This is a flatbread topped with Zathar, cheese or meat. Let's see how this is made. Before that, please do subscribe to my channel. Now in a bowl I have taken around 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. With this quantity you get around 4 Manakish. To the flour I'm adding around 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. You may also add olive oil. Now just keep that aside. In a bowl, I've taken 1 teaspoon of granulated instant yeast. Now add in around quarter cup of lukewarm water. Make sure the water is not hot or else the yeast will die. I cook them with both Zathar and cheese. Now these are ready to be baked. Bake them at a preheated oven for 5 to 7 minutes. Now the Manakish is ready. Do try them at home, and thank you for watching.